What's up, Bubby? What's up? Yeah, what's up, girl? What's up, Bubby dog? Alrighty, let's go. Run, be free, my little minion! How's it going, guys? Well, as you see, I pulled the top off. Pulled the hood, I mean, whatever you want to call it. That big thing that goes on top of the tractor. I want to try something. Oh, thanks for pissing where I'm gonna... You little shitweed. Alright, let's get this old gas can. I'll put it right here. Doink. There we go. It's cold out here. I like that. Let fit. Let fit. There you go. Holy shit, man, it's cold. Freaking dog piss. Where am I gonna ride? Damn. I want to get this thing a little, some snow over there. Kind of limited to what the hell I can do in the winter. Oops. There we go. You son of a bitch! You're shooting in front of a camera, you little fucker! God, frick! Yeah, definitely not going there now. Oh, son of a, you little fucker! Ugh. Let's put this over in the dog piss spot for now. Son of a bitch. Let's get rid of the yellow snow. And let's get rid of the brown shit. What a little fucker. My dog's a show off for the camera. Oh man, I got a little bit of dog shit to clean up over there. As the snow melts. Frig, I can't feel my hands. I don't think I got that camera angled right. Should be wide angle, but let's do one of those. I'm not on anything. Holy shit. I was up on the freaking arse end of this thing. Okay, let's go get some. Oh, hey, that was cool. Hope I got that on camera. New invention, guys. Gas can tripod. Not only does it put gas in your shit, films your videos. Okay. Yeah. That's epic. I need gloves, man. I can't grab shit. Oh, I hope I got that on camera. That was awesome. Where are my gloves? Oh, damn it. They're in the car. In case you're wondering, I'm parking down here. This driveway's too much of a bitch to get up. All the shit weather we've had lately. It's a real bitch. get her out. Multi-angle fail action. Oh my god, look at just digging a fucking hole. Stop. I'm tired. I'm tired. Yeah, this summer's gonna have some interesting videos.
What happens when life breaks down?